Hey, hope you're doing okay. This is a video presenting my personal project for EDA, which was basically just a recipe app that allows the user to enter in an ingredient or a number of ingredients, and then they'll hit a button and they'll receive a recipe back based on those ingredients. So very, very simple idea, but definitely something that I would like to use because I am horrible when it comes to deciding what to eat and what to cook, so this will be very, very handy to have, just to take away that cruel decision that has to be made whenever I'm hungry. So this is a code here. I'll just show you what the app actually looks like. I've got it deployed to Heroku. Very, very basic layout you can see here. We've got the title, we've got a short description. This is the input. So I'll enter an ingredient in here. I'll just enter chicken. I'm very original. Let's see. And here we go. Braised balsamic chicken. Yum. Looks delicious. 100% rating. Very appetizing. All recipes as a publisher. So I say I like it. And this is just a URL that takes me to the recipe page here, and this will give you the ingredients and the directions, blah blah blah, everything you need. Cool. And if I don't like this one, I want to get another one, so I click give me another one. And Cajun chicken pasta, yum. Look at that, gorgeous. Okay, cool. So I'll just go over the code a little bit. It's just a basic HTTP server. The server's written in Go, and the client is written with React mainly. So you see I've got the client code up. This is the app component and this is a recipe component. React works with components. And the recipe component, this renders the recipe, so the publisher, title, source URL, etc., and the app is just the rest of it, the description, and so on. And how I build that is I use Node with Webpack to bundle everything up into one big bundle file, and then that bundle file gets served here, and I also minify it in this bundle.min.js, which is attached to the index.html file along with the CSS and a few other things, and then that's just served by the server. And the server here you can see this is Go code, and basically it just serves the files, but also what it does is it gets the API, which is food to fork, gets the data from that, and then serves that on its own URL. And the reason I did it that way is because food to fork doesn't support cores, which means that client-side JavaScript from a different website can't actually, or different URL source, can't actually access the data from food to fork. So it needs to be accessed on the server side, and then once I've got it on my server, then I can use the client-side JavaScript to access the data from my server, which is a bit of a roundabout way of doing it, but works pretty well for me. So I can actually show you here what that looks like if I go to /data/chicken, you'll see this is the JSON that's being served by the API, and it gives a maximum of 30 recipes, and they're just in this format, the JSON format. And then the client-side JavaScript is very, very simple. It just takes this array of recipes here and picks a random recipe to show to the user. And these are all, of course, because I've got chicken here, these will all be chicken-based recipes. So that's pretty much it. This is the code here for the server, which I won't go over too much. And there's a few other things here. For example, there's gzips, the content that's being served. This is for the JSON, and yeah, and deploy with Heroku. And that's pretty much everything. Thanks for watching.